Access to instant hot or cold water has never been easier thanks to Avalon's bottleless water coolers. In a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to an endless supply of great tasting water. First, locate your cold water supply underneath your sink. Turn the cold water valve to the off position and disconnect the water supply line. Next, take the metal adapter with valve that is included with your installation kit and connect it between the cold water supply line and the cold water valve. Remove the nut from the metal adapter with valve and insert the white PE tubing through the nut and onto the protruding part of the adapter. Then secure the nut tightly into place. Now we are going to flush both filters before we install them. First, twist the sediment filter into the provided filter flushing adapter by rotating it clockwise. Next, take the open end of the PE tubing that is now connected to your water supply and insert it into the left inlet hole of the filter flushing adapter in the direction of the arrow. Hold the filter in place over a sink or a bucket and turn on the water supply. Allow the water to flow through the adapter for approximately 2 minutes, then repeat these steps with the carbon filter. Now we are ready to complete our installation. Attach the two black mounting brackets to the back of the cooler by inserting the longer pegs upward into the slots of the condenser, then click the shorter pegs into place. Slide the two filter adapters into the mounting brackets and twist the sediment filter into the left adapter and the carbon filter into the right filter adapter. Next, locate the valve and tube assembly and connect the tube to the left insert of the left filter adapter. Connect the PE tubing from your water source to the open end of the valve and tube assembly. Connect the smallest PE tubing to the inner inlets of both filters. Remove the plug from the water inlet located on the back of the unit by pressing the push connect ring that is behind the plug. Connect the remaining small PE tubing to the right side of the right filter adapter and insert the open end of the PE tubing into the water inlet. Now turn on the valve located next to the left side of the filter. Then turn both valves at the cold water source under your sink back to the on position as well. Plug the power cord into a grounded wall outlet and allow the water to fill in the tanks for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, dispense a drop of water from the hot and cold spouts to test if the inner tanks have filled. And finally, activate the heating and cooling switches located on the back of your unit and you're ready to go.